Okay, so now we're going to pick up where we left off on section 1.7. We're talking about distributing negative values or negatives in front of parentheses. We're going to go ahead and try something a little different here, combining what we learned in the last section along with this section. Here we see we have an algebraic expression 3 times 2x minus 5 minus the quantity of 4x plus 7. The first thing we're going to want to do is use the distributive property to distribute the 3 to what's inside this set of parentheses and the negative to what's inside this set of parentheses. So we go ahead and write that out. 3 times 2x minus 3 times 5 minus 4x, because negative 1 times 4x is just equal to minus 4x. Then we have the negative 1 out here, times plus 7 turns that into minus 7. And now we can go and combine, or go and execute the multiplication here. We get 6x minus 15 minus 4x minus 7. Now we can group like terms. We get all the x's together and all the constants together. So we get 6x minus 4x plus negative 15 plus negative 7. Again, we have we chose to put a plus sign here in between these two. We know that 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x plus negative 15 plus a negative 7 makes a negative 22. So now what we can do to make things look a little cleaner, anytime we see the plus and negative, we can just make that into a subtraction. So simplifying this term one more step is going to equal 2x minus 22. So here's a chart that's going to really help you to do well in your homework and your quizzes and even your exam. It has the rules laid out for you, telling you the rule, and here's a quick example of how it's applied and what kind of value you'll be getting out of here. The product of two real numbers with different signs is going to be negative. The product of two real numbers with the same sign is positive. The product of 0 and any number is 0. If no number is 0, we can just count the number of negative signs, and if it's an odd number, it's a negative. If it's a positive, if it's an even number, then it's a positive value. And here's also the same type of chart for dividing numbers. The quotient of two numbers with different signs is negative. The quotient of two numbers with the same sign is positive. In addition, we have to remember that anything divided by 0 is going to be undefined. So that means when 0 is on the bottom is undefined, and anything with the 0 on the top is going to be 0. So hope that helps. I'll go ahead and look at the example problems, and good luck with your homework and quiz.